Hey, wonderful people. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to download and install Docker in your system. So in order to download Docker, you need to write down here, download Docker. And then here you will see the first website. And here we have option to download the Docker for Windows user, and for Mac user, you have option according to that. So if I click on this, and it will start downloading the Docker software. So it is like 625 MB file, so it will take a little time, and I have already downloaded it. So now I just need to run the setup. All right, so here I have already downloaded the Docker desktop installer. So I launch it. So click on run. So now you see it has started installing. So add shortcut on desktop. Okay. So now you see it has unpacking the files. It will take little time. It will take around like 5 minutes, maybe. Depends on your system speed. All right. So now it has extracted all the files, and you need to close and restart your system. Or what we can do, we can try it now. Here you can write it down, CMD, to open the command prompt, and then check whether the Docker has downloaded and installed it in your system or not. So write it down, Docker version, and click enter. All right, so now it has completed, it has installed, but with some error. So what you need to do now, you need to restart your system, and then again, open up your command prompt and use this command again, Docker version. So I'm going to restart the system, and then we will try it again, using this command prompt command. All right. All right. So now I have restarted the system, and let's see if the Docker has installed. Yeah, it has installed. And let's just check the version in the command prompt. So type it cmd here. So that will open up your command prompt. And here, write it down, Docker version, and hit enter. All right, so we are still getting this error. Exit. Let me just try to open the Docker, which has installed here. You can see it has installed. So let's just see how it looks like, and then we will check in the command prompt the version of Docker. All right. So okay. So now let's do one more thing. I just run my Docker, and from here, like from the start menu, it has it has installed. So I just open it up, and then I accept. All right, so Docker has started. So this is how it looks like. And let's just check the version of Docker. So I am going to launch the command prompt one more time, and then just open it up, and Docker version. All right, so yeah, Docker has installed. You can see the version as well without any error. All right, so here I need to mention one important thing. Like when you check your Docker version, it might show you some error, like this file is not found or something like that, or any other error when you're checking the Docker version in your command prompt. So what you need to do, close the command prompt, restart your system, and then launch your Docker from here. Like it has already installed, so launch it. So it will, once it will look like this, then open up your command prompt one more time, and then check the Docker version. So now I am checking the Docker version. It is not showing me any error, but yeah, previously when I restarted my system and then I checked the Docker version, then it was showing me some error. However, it was showing me the Docker version as well, but also it was showing me some error, like error, this error, like something, this XYZ file is not found, something like that. All right. So what you need to do, close your command prompt, open your Docker once it has launched, something like this, and then open up the command prompt one more time from here, like from your start menu, and then type again Docker version. All right, so now you see there is not any error. All right, so that means it has already installed. So all right, there might be some cases for some user, there might be an error, and that error would be something like this. I'll show you in a moment. I just took the screenshot of that. And you need to update your Linux kernel. So I'm showing it to you in a moment, and then you will understand what that error is. So yeah, so that error would be something like this. Docker desktop required a newer WSL kernel version. So once you will click on this link, it will open up this page. So here on step 4, download the Linux kernel update package. And here you see this hyperlink. Click on this, and then it will download a setup file. So that file would be something like this. So and then you just need to run it. So now if I will run it, it will show me like it is up to date. All right. So yeah, update is already installed. Setup will now exit. All right. So yeah, if it is not updated, it will look like this, and then you need to click next, next, next. So and then you can click on finish. So it will take hardly like some seconds, 15 or 20 seconds. So yeah, this is how you can download and install Docker. Now, there is one more thing you need to do. There is one command that you need to enter here. And once you will enter that command, it will start downloading the some file that is also, take little time because that file is around like maybe 3 GB file, so it will take little time. So that command is here I'm writing it down again. DOCKERPULL Docker pull space ahanaio slash presto db and dash sandbox. All right, and then hit enter. Once you will hit enter, then it will start downloading the some file, and the size is like 3 GB or something. So it will take time. It's depend on your internet speed as well. So here you see I have almost good enough downloading speed. So yeah, it will take like around like 10 minutes to download it and install it. Once it is done, it will show you like every file has completed, and then it means you are ready to use the Docker. Everything has installed in your system related to the Docker. All right, so now it has completed. It has pulled all the files and has installed the sandbox as well. So this is it. This is it you need to do.